Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ariel and I create skincare and self-care videos. If it is something that you enjoy watching, please subscribe to my channel and please follow me on my Instagram. Today I will be sharing a complete skincare routine for teenagers within 1000 rupees. It is going to be a basic and simple skincare routine, as in my opinion, during your teenage years, your skin is very healthy and your skin naturally has a high cell turnover rate. So you guys don't need to use too many products or need to have a complicated skincare routine. Now, if you are a teenager and if you love having multiple steps in your skincare routine, then it is absolutely okay. But this video is specifically for those who are on a budget and looking for good quality products with affordable prices. So if you want to know about the products and the routine, then please keep on watching. But before starting my video, please remember skincare is subjective. What works for me might not work for you. And please do a patch test before trying out any new skincare products on your skin. This video is mainly divided into 3 categories: face washes or cleansers, moisturizers and sunscreens. But I have also given some options for toners and serums in case you guys want to add them in your skincare routine. For the face washes and cleansers, I have 5 options for you guys. The first one is this Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. 150 ml retails for 225 rupees. It is a gel face wash. It is perfect for oily and combination skin type. It is a soap-free, paraben-free and phthalate-free formula. It contains neem and turmeric and has antibacterial properties. Now I know it has gotten some mixed reviews online. Some love it, some hate it. Fortunately, it has always worked for my skin. A face wash or a cleanser's job is to cleanse your skin and remove dirt, sweat and impurities from your skin without making your skin dry. And it does that perfectly. Throughout my college life, I have only used this one and it never made my skin dry. Next one is this Simple Kind Skin Refreshing Face Wash. 150 ml retails for 385 rupees. It is one of the best face washes that I have ever used. It is a gel face wash and it can be used by all skin types. But it is great if you have normal to combination to oily skin. It is a mild face wash that helps to cleanse your skin without stripping your skin's natural oil. Some of the key ingredients of this face wash are vitamin E, vitamin B5 and amino acids. It is a soap-free, color-free and fragrance-free formula. Next I have this Dot & Key Barrier Repair Plus Hydrating Gentle Face Wash. 100 ml retails for 249 rupees. It is suitable for normal, dry and sensitive skin. I have combination skin and it works fine for my skin. It feels gentle on the skin but removes dirt and sweat properly. It has ceramides, hyaluronic acid, probiotics and rice water. Again, it is a soap-free, sulfate-free formula. Though it has fragrance but it doesn't irritate my skin. Next we have this Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. 125 ml retails for 371 rupees. It is suitable for dry, normal and sensitive skin types. It has glycerin, niacinamide, vitamin B3 and vitamin B5. I love using this in the morning, especially during winters. It doesn't lather much but surely cleanses the skin well. My skin feels moisturized after washing my face. It is a fragrance-free formula. Now, if you are 17 to 19 years old and if you want to use an exfoliating face wash to keep your pores clean and unclogged, then you guys can try this one. This is Dot & Key's Sika Face Wash for acne-prone skin. 100 ml retails for 249 rupees. It is a gel face wash and it is perfect for oily to combination and acne-prone skin type. If you are someone who suffers from clogged pores, blackheads and whiteheads, you can give this one a try. It has salicylic acid, green tea and Sika. Though it is an exfoliating face wash, but it doesn't feel drying on the skin. You can use this twice or thrice in a week. This one is not fragrance free. Next comes the moisturizer category. First I have this Moschino moisturizer. 100 gram retails for 390 rupees. It is perfect for dry to normal to combination and sensitive skin types. But during winters, even oily skin people can use this one. But for summers, if you have oily skin, you might find it a bit heavy on your skin. It has glycerin, ceramide and pentavitin. It helps to soothe, moisturize and repair the skin. It is lightweight and has a dewy and non-greasy finish. It is a fragrance-free formula. Next, I have this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. 71 ml retails for 270 rupees. It is ideal for dry to normal and sensitive skin type. It has colloidal oatmeal that helps to soothe your skin and prevents dryness. This hydrates your skin and protects the skin barrier. It also has a lightweight and non-sticky formula, blends easily into the skin and doesn't have any oily residue at all. It is also fragrance free. Next we have Dot & Key Ceramides Moisturizer. 100 ml retails for 395 rupees. It is great if you have dry, normal and sensitive skin types. But my combination skin enjoys this a lot. It has ceramides, hyaluronic acid, probiotics and rice water. It focuses on strengthening your skin barrier and keeping it healthy. It has a creamy texture that doesn't take too much time to blend into the skin. It doesn't feel oily or heavy at all. Plus it also adds a nice glow to your skin. This one is also fragrance free. Next I have this simple water boost hydrating gel cream. 50 gram retails for 449 rupees. Though the brand says it is for dry and normal skin type, I feel even combination and oily skin people can use this one. It has a gel cream kind of a texture, blends within seconds and feels very light on the skin. It has glycerin, panthenol and pentabetene to moisturize and hydrate your skin for a really long time. It is also fragrance free. Next I have this Foxtail Nourishing Face Moisturizer. This is the old packaging. They recently changed it into a new packaging. 50 ml retails for 249 rupees. It says that it is for all skin types, but I feel if you have extremely oily skin, you might not like this. But if you have dry to normal to combination skin type, you are going to enjoy this a lot. It has a creamy lightweight texture that melts into the skin beautifully. Post application, my skin doesn't feel heavy or greasy. It has niacinamide and cocoa butter to moisturize and hydrate your skin deeply. Last but not the least, I have this Foxtail Oil Free Gel Moisturizer. 100 gram retails for 395 rupees. Currently, I don't have this with me. It is an oil-free gel moisturizer. It is perfect for oily and acne-prone skin type. It has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, betaine, and marine algae that will moisturize and nourish your skin. It is lightweight and feels soothing on the skin. This one is not fragrance free. The last category is for sunscreens. Firstly, I have this Conscious Chemist Very Bright Sunscreen. 50 gram retails for 299 rupees. Though the brand says it is for all skin types, I feel it is perfect for oily to combination skin type. It looks creamy, but once you start blending it into your skin, it turns into this gel kind of a texture. I hope I'm making sense. It is lightweight and non-sticky and give this dewy finish to my skin. It is a hybrid sunscreen, which means it has both organic and inorganic UV filters. It also has niacinamide and blackberry extract to brighten and soothe the skin. This one does have fragrance. The next one is this Aqualogica Radiance Plus DV Sunscreen. 50 gram retails for 449 rupees. It is perfect for oily and combination skin type. The lightweight formula blends easily and feels light on the skin. It is also a hybrid sunscreen. It has niacinamide and watermelon extract. It has a slightly dewy finish. It also has fragrance. Next I have this Wishcare 5% Niacinamide Oil Balance Fluid Sunscreen. 50 gram retails for 499 rupees. It is ideal for oily and combination skin type. Texture is watery and blends within seconds. It has a matte finish, but it feels very comfortable on the skin. Apart from 5% niacinamide, it also has oats extract, zinc PCA, cica and ceramides. It is a hybrid sunscreen and it doesn't have any fragrance. Next I have this Dot & Key Blueberry Hydrate Barrier Repair Sunscreen. 50 gram retails for 445 rupees. It is perfect for dry and normal skin type. The texture is creamy but lightweight and non-sticky. It feels very hydrating on the skin. It has ceramides, blueberry extract and hyaluronic acid. It is a fragrance-free formula. Last but not the least, I have this Wishcare Vitamin C Pure Glow Milk Sunscreen. 50 gram retails for 499 rupees. It is great if you have dry to normal and combination skin type. This is the thinnest sunscreen I have ever tried. After applying it, it feels as if I have nothing on my skin. It gives a beautiful dewy finish that I love. It is a hybrid sunscreen. It has kojic acid, soya milk, peptides, licorice and hyaluronic acid. It is a fragrance-free formula. All of these sunscreens provide broad spectrum protection and they are very easy to reapply, and none of the sunscreen peel on my skin. Now if you want to apply toner, I have some affordable options for you as well. First one is this Wishcare 100% pure and natural rose water. 50 ml retails for 199 rupees. It is a stem distilled rose water. It is a basic rose water but the quality is very good. It has pure Kannauj rose water. Next one I have this Simple Kind to Skin Soothing Facial Toner. 200 ml retails for 450 rupees. It has chamomile, witch hazel and allantoin to soothe and moisturize the skin. Both of these toners can be used by all skin types. I would also like to share this one last product with you guys. It is the Garnier Micellar Water. It is an affordable but really good product. It removes dirt, sweat, sunscreen and makeup properly. 125 retails for 146 rupees. Now if you are 17 to 19 years old and if you want to try serums, you can try hydrating serums for dry skin, niacinamide serum for oil control and brightness, and salicylic acid serum for clogged pores and acne. And that is it. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I am going to keep this routine very simple and very basic. I have given you guys quite a lot of options to choose from. And I hope you found this video helpful. All of the products that I have mentioned in this video are affordable. They are of really good quality and you will get good discounts on these products as well. For example, Dot & Key and Wishcare, these two brands, they often give buy one get one sale. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, comment and share this video with your family and friends, and please subscribe to my channel as it would mean a lot to me. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.